I got him. I got him.
Thank you, man.
This is what you wanted for.
God
A
bless.
double big match for both of us.
Thank you, Mikey. You're the best.
That's very kind of you.
Shit. Fuck. Man, you got the one thing. Nobody's shooting him? What the hell? Oh. God damn it! Sorry. Oh, fuck! Good. Shit.
Hey, look, free kill.
Yeah. Firing squad. Free kill, he said.
Yes. How did he know?
Why the fudge does it?
I guess I had a Ratchet Deadlocked. Yeah.
Imagine that you got you with the fucking sniper.
Imagine if you did.
I guess I had it. And you done it, had it. Who's gonna red team? Whoa. Red team takes the lead.
Bruh. I'm tied with Daniel.
Ivan, you take the lead.
I know. I'm the best. Daniel's got the weapon back?
And now you're tied with him.
Oh my god. This is not good.
Leave me alone, bro. Brian, please, let me alone. I can't let this man win. I'm sorry, man. It's free real estate.
Someone get Daniel. God darn it. Oh man.
Ah, I went to the wrong way. Fudge. Why? Fine. Okay, I'm fucked. Oh, no!
Yeah. This is a close match, guys.
But it's all over now.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm gonna make my epic comeback.
Achoo!
Oh, that was pretty epic, not gonna lie.
I came back to the game. I had 2 points and needed.
That's true, man.
Yeah,
that was
I
a
think
good
they have
comeback,
it.
That
Not
was
gonna
one
lie.
of the greatest comebacks of all time. Nobody else can pull that kind of shit off.
You gotta have it, so you.
You make a point.
Oh my god, leave me alone.
What if I don't want to?
Mikey, please.
Just. Yeah, I think so.
Brian's like, I'm out of here. And then he dies.
I don't think so.
Dude, he's got the shield. Stay away from Daniel.
I think so too, huh?
Damn, he's almost here already.
The delivery guy?
Yeah. I wonder.
He's gonna be like, where's my tip, man? Oh, God.
That's crazy.
This is I had to see the crazy.
Oh,
Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it.
Punch, punch, punch. I won.
you did? God damn it.
Congratulations.
Ugh.
Round of
Shit.
applause.
Wow, Brian. Mikey passed Brian.
I'm coming downstairs. I mean, I'm going downstairs.
Hello. Why you taking pictures?